Seventh maths topic angles and pairs of angles. Today we are going to solve practice set 19. Practice set 19. Question number 1. Draw the pairs of angles as described below. Question 1 is complementary angles that are not adjacent. हमें ऐसे दो एंगल्स बनाने हैं जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो और वो एडजेसेंट भी ना हो. Complementary means the sum of two angles must be 90 degree. Answer is angle AOB, that is 40 degree, and angle QOP, that is 50 degree. Their sum is 40 plus 50, 90. That means they are complementary. These two angles are not having common vertex and common side, so they are not said to be adjacent. यहाँ पे common vertex भी नहीं है, दोनों के vertex अलग है. जैसे angle AOB में O vertex है, angle QOP में O vertex है. Vertices are separated and they are not having a common arm, so they are not adjacent but they are complementary. Instead of this, you may use another pair of combination, that is you may take a 30 degree angle and another you may take 60 degree. So 30 plus 60 is 90 degree. Second, angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Observe the figure. In this figure, measure of angle APB is 120 degree and measure of angle BPC is 60 degree. That means 120 plus 60 degree is equal to 180. So, the sum of measures of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Also, other arms such as ray PA and PC forms a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Therefore, angles in a linear pairs which are not supplementary, this is not possible because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Third one, complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. हमें ऐसे दो complementary angles बनाने हैं जो linear pair ना हो. Complementary means the sum of two angles must be 90 degree. Measure of angle AOP is 55 degree and measure of angle AOP is 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 55, that is measure of angle AOB minus measure of angle AOP. We will get measure of angle POP, that is 35 degree. Measure of angle AOP, that is 55 degree, plus measure of angle POB, that is 35 degree, is equal to 90 degree. That means they are complementary. They are not linear pair because their sum is not 180 degree. Fourth, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. हमें ऐसे दो adjacent angle बनाने हैं जो linear pair ना हो, जिनकी sum 180 degree ना हो. In the given angle AOB, angle AOP and angle POB are said to be adjacent angle because they are having a common vertex O and a common arm, that is a common side, ray OP. Also, angles are not overlapping. Their sum is 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOP and POB are adjacent angles. They are not a linear pair because in linear pair, sum of the angles is 180. Here the sum of the angles is 90 degree. Angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. हमें ऐसे दो एंगल बनाने हैं जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी नहीं है और एडजेसेंट भी नहीं है. एंगल AOB is of 30 degree and angle PQR is of 40 degree. 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 degree. That means their sum is not 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that these two angles are not complementary. First condition is satisfied, and they are not adjacent also because they are not having a common vertex and common arm. Instead of 30 and 40 degree angles, we may take any other combination, that is 20 plus 20 also, or etc. Sixth, angles in a linear pair which are complementary. हमें ऐसे दो angles बनाने हैं जो linear pair भी हो और complementary हो. क्या ऐसे हो सकता है? No, it is not possible because sum of measures 180 degree for linear pair and 90 degree for complementary angles. So अगर complementary हम बात कर रहे हैं उनकी सम आएगी 90 डिग्री, linear pair बात कर रहे हैं तो उसकी सम आएगी 180 डिग्री. तो ऐसे कोई दो एंगल हम बना नहीं सकते कि जो एंगल्स लीनियर पेयर हो और वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो। लीनियर पेयर अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो उसकी 180 आनी चाहिए, तो ऐसा एंगल बन ही नहीं सकता।